we're going to practice the adding algorithm that involves regrouping. So the problem today is 872,136. We're going to add that with 415,495. So the first step is to start with the ones place, then the tens, hundreds, make our way to the thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. We always start with the ones place. 6 and 5 is 11. So I make a little reminder off to the side. I circle my 1 in the tens place, move it over, and then I'm going to underline my 1 and bring it down as a reminder to put that digit where my line is. When I'm done with that, I'm going to cross it off as a reminder and move on to the next place value. In the tens place, I'm going to do 3 plus 9. That's 12. But I need to remember I need to add that regrouped 1. When I add that regrouped 1, it becomes 13. So with 13, I'm going to take the 1, move it over. I'm going to underline the 3, bring it down underneath the underline, scratch off my 13. As a reminder, I'm done regrouping. Moving on to the hundreds place. We're going to do the same thing. 4 plus 1 is going to be 5, but we still have to add that 1 regrouped. So it's going to be a total of 6. After the 6, we're going to bring our comma down to separate the periods place and move into the thousands place. 5 plus 2 is going to be 7. No need to regroup. Move on to the 10,000s place. We have 7 plus 1. Adding those together, we just get 8. Not going to be 2 digits, so we do not need to regroup. We'll go ahead and move into the 100,000s place. 8 plus 4 is 12. That is 2 digits, but since it is the last place value we are adding, we don't need to do our trick, and we can just write the 12 right down below to finish up our problem. We do need to put a comma in between the 1 and the 2, separating our millions place. So our final answer is 1,287,631. The next problem we will take a look at is 564,578. Let's add that up with 446,765. We're going to follow the same steps of moving from the ones place to the tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, all the way to the 100,000s. Starting in the ones place, we have 8 plus 5. That's going to be 13. Follow the same steps. We're going to move 13 off to the side. Circle the 1, bring it over, underline the 3, bring it below, cross it off. Tens place is going to be 7 plus 6. That's going to be 13, but with one more to be added from the regrouping, we're going to go ahead and make it a 14. Make the 14 off to the side, circle the 1, bring it over, underline the 4, bring it down, move on to the next place value. Hundreds place, we have 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is going to be 12. But again, adding that 1 regroup, we are going to make it into a 13. Follow the same steps. Bring over the 1, underline the 3, bring it down, move on to the next step. Thousands place, 4 plus 6 is going to be 10, plus 1 more regroup, it's going to make it 11. Follow the same steps and move on to the next place value. 6 plus 4 is going to be 10. But with the regrouped 1, it's going to be 11. Follow the same steps. Bring over the 1, underline the 1, bring it down. Move into the last place value. 5 plus 4 is 9, but with the regrouped 1, it's going to make it a 10. With it being the last place value, you are able to just bring that 10 straight down and no need to regroup.